Hi, my name is Casey Cole and I'm the owner of Cole Automotive Repair. I started this business back in 2013 and over the years we have taken pride in focusing on our customers' needs and making sure we exceed their expectations. A variety of services that we offer include paintless dent repair, collision repair, detailing, and many other options. We offer a lifetime warranty on all of our work and stand behind our customers, making sure they receive the best repair possible. If you need to make an insurance claim, we're here to help guide you through that process every step of the way. So make sure to follow us on Facebook or Instagram to check out our work, and if you have any questions, send us a message or give us a call at 469-602-5554.